Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we're installing our rear brake guard on a 2018 Chevy Silverado. This rear brake guard will fit on a 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, use an 18mm socket to break loose the two bolts on the rear brake line as shown. Once both bolts are loosened, remove the upper bolt. With the upper bolt removed, take the guard and slide it into place. Ensure that the guard sits behind the brake line as shown. Once in place, loosely reinstall the upper bolt. Next, remove the lower factory bolt and reposition the guard as shown. Then loosely reinstall the lower bolt to secure the guard in place. Finally, using a torque wrench set for 180 foot-pounds, retorque the two factory bolts, and repeat the process on the other side. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your rear brake guard. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.